Ah, rainy day. I forgot to dry it last time. And it smells a bit. It is supposed to stop soon, so no worries. Oh, shell. That is a lie. Or is it? Shit. The phone's not fully charged, Eve's not fully charged. They didn't have a wall plug outside, but the breakfast was fabulous. Let's go charge Eve. Yeah. Yeah, I knew it. What? Oh no, here they are. Yeah, okay. Aldi office. Directors only. Oh, they're all busy. Ah. Do you think they mind if I charge here? But it's so cool that they have this here everywhere. Aldi office is really on it. So I took the rain gear off just to tell the universe it would be a good idea to stop raining now. Marie says that helps. I'm looking for something.
No idea, but yeah.
I wasn't really looking for that. They didn't have a charging cable, so that's what I got. No. It's still raining. No, that's alright.
And how many miles will that give you?
Well, it should get me like 100 miles, but my battery is broken. So it's like 80, 85. But I'll get it replaced. Ah, yeah, brilliant. Yeah, that looks really cool. I mean, that looks more like a horse than the one I've been to. That looked more like
That's
a
the oldest
cow.
one in England, or Britain. That's the oldest one in England. Spain.
Uh,
So you can do a bit of a detour.
Yeah, I will do that. I mean, it's all about the detours, right? Well, because of my charging stop, you get to see the white horse now. Excuse me? Sorry. Where's the white horse? That way? That way. Alright. Thank you. Guys, that is pretty cool, isn't it? And look at that view. Man. I feel like I can look over the whole country. So cool. Look at that. And I guess you guys have to thank Eve for it. And her constant need for juice. I would have never come here. It's really cool. These things, they will bring me down one day, 100%. They are so slippery. All the traction control in the world can't save you. If you hit them wrong, that's it, gone. I just love these little villages. Should have started filming earlier. I bet you saw like 2 houses. Oh man, today is a good day. Your supportive comments and everything really help. Feels like I'm traveling with like thousands of people at the same time. So thanks for that. Hit some more houses for you. Look at them. Lovely. No traffic. These roundabouts, this little roundabout. Oh man, look at that, guys. Brilliant. Wait. Tesla. I bet there's a charger here somewhere. The Great Western Railway, 1862. What is this place here? I have to check on the maps later. Okay, so you just go straight then, yeah? Okay, I'll do that too. Another guy is in the air with his drone over there. So I'll just wait until he lands.
1 hour later.
So usually a drone flight takes me like a minute or two. Doing the shot, coming back, done. Alright, cool. That's exactly what I mean, because the moment somebody tells you off, you're already back down, you know? And anyways, the airspace is okay. I'm allowed to fly here. So let's see how much money they want to have. £22.
Roughly, yeah.
Do I have to buy online or?
You save about 10% doing it that way.
Okay. So do I buy from the official site? Is it best?
Like I say, our last booking slot is 2:30 till 3. So I'm not too sure if you'll be on time for that, but you can try by all means.
But I don't understand. So I don't have a ticket, and I cannot book it online, and I don't want to go to the visitor center now. So I'm not allowed with all the cool kids, and just only stay outside the fence. It's really not as sad as it looks. I mean, it's just stones. Cool stones. Awesome. That's alright. Just couldn't touch it. You too. Have a good day. I think it's a pretty sweet deal to just, you know, watch from outside the fence. It's quite pricey. You must make so much money with the amount of tourists that get there. Man, that's quite a busy road here. I'll never get out of here. Cheers. Oh yeah. Now, that's our chance. Eve, do it. Whoa. Haha, the mud. Woo. Let's get you some juice. Struggling.
Help us improve our service. We may record your call.
So
Yeah, I think it's a private charger. You should get a library mode.
closed today. I'll try if it maybe works just like that. Was worth a try though. They have a pretty sweet deal on a hotel here in Whitchurch. I just might stay here. So luckily the magic charging is also back. Came here with 3 miles range. No, I have 10. Sweet. Just in case the hotel is not cool. But this is lovely here. So lovely. Would love to stay here. That's it, the White Hart Hotel. Just want to see if they have parking. They have parking.
We've got quiz night tonight.
Ah, yeah. All right, yeah.
All
Yeah,
right.
lovely, yeah.
All right.
Yeah, works for me.
Okay.
Awesome.
You're
Thank you so
welcome.
much. Best decision. Just perfect. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.